In this video, I want to show how we can access and create or modify a little bit of databases from different scenarios, from Warp in the terminal. We can use also the MySQL Workbench and also VS Code. So starting with it, to show how we will start from terminal. So here we have terminal and we're gonna make sure that we have MySQL installed. So we see now that we have the version of MySQL. So we're going to sign in into MySQL, like MySQL root as user, and we're gonna type our password. We don't have it. Okay, now we're here and we are going to see the databases that we have. Here are the databases that we already have in here. So if we go to MySQL Workbench, we see that we have the tables in here. We're going to be using this pps.db as an example right now. And because I want to do it, I'm going to drop this one. We're going to see now that we don't have it. If we see from the terminal, we don't have it any longer. We are going to refresh in the Workbench and we don't have it. So if we want to create it, we have this script and we are going to create it using here just by running this part of the code that we already have. And we see now that it's like already created without the tables. We're going to create tables in VS Code. So if we skip and we go to VS Code, we see that we have the same script, but we have to be sure that we already have the connection. So we created the connection. In this case, I call it pps.con. That will connect exactly to the databases that I have, and we can see all of them here. And we see that we have no tables. So now we are going to run all of the statement here. And let's see, probably we have here one error, but let's try to find how we go from here, from terminal. Show databases. Now we see that we have pps stats.db. Let's use this pps stats.db and let's show tables and see that we have now the creation of the tables here in MySQL in the terminal. And also if we go to the Workbench, we're going to refresh in here. We are going to see that we have now all of the tables. So in here, in this example, we were showing how we can modify the database from VS Code, from Warp, and from MySQL Workbench. There are several ways to do it, and that was the purpose of this video. Thanks for watching.